See here, before starting this chapter, we will first note down few formulas. NCR can be written as factorial n by factorial n minus r into factorial r. NCR by NPR can be written as factorial r. NCR can be written as NCn minus r. NCr minus 1 plus NCR can be written as n plus 1 CR, or NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. If NCR is equal to NCS, then n is equal to r plus s, or r is equal to s. Now we'll start with few problems where we are going to use this formulas. If NC4 is equal to NC6, then find n. NC4 is equal to NC6 means n is equal to 4 plus 6, n is equal to 10. If 10 into NC2 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 C3, find n. So 10 into NC2 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 C3. NC2 can be written as n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 cancel, 2 cancel, n into n minus 1 cancel. So it is 10 is equal to n plus 1, or n is equal to 10 minus 1, or n is equal to 9. Next, if 15c to r minus 1 is equal to 15c to r plus 4, find r. We know the formula that NCR is equal to NCS, then n is equal to r plus s. So here n is 15. So 15 is equal to 2r minus 1 plus 2r plus 4. So 15 is equal to 4r plus 3. So 4r plus 3 is 15. 4r is equal to 15 minus 3. 4r is equal to 12. R is equal to 12 by 4. That is r is equal to 3. Next, if 17c 2t plus 1 is equal to 17c 3t minus 1, find t. So here we know the formula NCR is equal to NCS means two possibilities, n is equal to r plus s and r is equal to s. 17 is equal to 2t plus 1 plus 3t minus 5. 17 is equal to 5t minus 4, or 5t minus 4 is 17. 5t is 17 plus 4, 5t is 21, t is 21 by 5. Fractional value is not possible. So the other condition is r is equal to s. So 2t plus 1 is equal to 3t minus 5. So 2t minus 3t is equal to minus 5 minus 1. So minus t is equal to minus 6. T is equal to 6. Next question, if 12c r plus 1 is equal to 12c 3r minus 5, find r. We know that condition NCR is equal to NCS means r is equal to s, n is equal to r plus s. So 12 is equal to r plus 1 plus 3r minus 5. 12 is equal to r plus 1 plus 3r minus 5. 12 is equal to 4r minus 4. 4r minus 4 is 12. 4r is 16. R is 4. Another condition is r is equal to s. That is r plus 1 is equal to 3r minus 5. So r minus 3r is equal to minus 5 minus 1, minus 2r is equal to minus 6, r is equal to 3. Therefore r is 3 or 6. 3 or 4. R is 3 or 4. Next, if NC3 plus 9C3 plus 9C5 is equal to 10CR, find R. See, 9C3 plus 9C5 can be written as 9C9 minus 5. That is 9C3 plus 9C4 is equal to 10CR. So we know the formula NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. So what it will become? 9 plus 1 C4 is equal to 10 CR. That is 10 C4 is equal to 10 CR. R is equal to 4. So 10 C4 can also be written as 10 C10 minus 4. So 10 C6 is equal to 10 CR. R is equal to 6. So R can be 4 or 6. If NPR is equal to 5040 and NCR is equal to 210, find N and R. We know the formula factorial R is equal to NPR by NCR. So NPR is 5040 by NCR is 210. So if you cancel this, and this will become 24. Factorial 4 is 24. Factorial 4 is equal to 24 can be written as factorial 4. So r is equal to 4. Now I substitute in this first equation NPR is equal to 5040. R is 4. So NP4 is equal to 504 into 10. I can write this as 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is divisible by 9. So 9 into 5. 9 5 is 45. 9 6 is 54. Or 56 I can write as 7 into 8. So this I can write as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So that is 10p4. So n is equal to 10. Therefore n is equal to 10, r is equal to 4. If 12CR is equal to 495, find the possible values of R. So 12CR is equal to 495. So 12CR, 495 I can write as prime factorization if I take 5 nines are 5 nines are 11 nines are. So it is 5 into 11 into 9. So 12CR is equal to, I can write this as multiply and divide by 12. So 12 into 11 into 5 into 9. Because 12CR we have to write in terms of 12 only. So here again what I will do is I will multiply and divide by 2. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 24. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is the formula of 12C4. So 12CR is equal to 12C4. 12C4 can also be written as 12C12 minus 4. 12C8. So R is equal to 4 or 8. If NC4 is equal to 210, find N. NC4 is 210. NC4 is equal to 221 into 10. I can write this and can write as 7 into 3 into 10. Multiply and divide by 3. So 7 into 9 into 10. So again multiply and divide by 8. So it can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 24. So this can be written as 24 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is nothing but 10C4. So N is equal to 10. If NC5 is equal to NC6, then find 13CN. We know the condition NCR is equal to NCS means N is equal to R plus S. So here N is equal to 5 plus 6, N is equal to 11. You have to find the value of 13CN, that is 13C11. 13C11 can be written as 13C 13 minus 11, 13C2. This can be written as 13 into 12 by 1 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 13 6 are 78. Next, find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 can be written as 10C4 plus 10C4 plus 10C3. We know the formula NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. So this can be written as 10 plus 1 C5. And this can be written as 10 plus 1 11C4. Again this can be written as 11 plus 1 12C5. 12C5 can be calculated as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So if you cancel it, it will become 132 into 6, it is 792. Simplify 34C5 plus sigma R is equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus R C4. 34C5, this I can write as R is equal to 4 to 0, 38 minus R into C4. So 34C5 plus, now in the decreasing order I have to substitute. Now 4 first I will substitute, it will become 34C4. Then after 4 3 I will substitute, it will come 35C4. Then 2 I will substitute, it will become 36C4. 1 if I substitute, 37C4. And 0 if I substitute, it will become 38C4. We know the formula NCR plus NCR plus 1 can be written as N plus 1 CR plus 1. So 34 plus 34C5 plus 34C4 means 35C5 plus again this is as it is, and again 35C5 plus 35C4 is 36C5. This is as it is. Then 36 plus 1 is 37C5. This 2 is as it is. Then 38C5 plus 38C4. Then again it will become 39C5. If NP4 is 1680, find N. NP4 is 1680. NP4 is equal to 168 into 10. 168 it can be written as 8 into 21 into 10. So 8 10 into 8 into 7 into 3. So 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into this 4. 8 can be written 5 into 2. And this is what actually 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So this is nothing but 5. So this is 8, 7. So actually this is nothing but 8 as it is, I'll write. And this 2 I'll not write here. So this will become 5, 10 can be written as 5 into 2, 8. So this can be written as, this will be actually 8, 7, 6, 5. Actually it should be like this. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So it's not 7p4, it should be 8p4. 8p4 means n must be 8. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So n is equal to 8. If 12PR is equal to 1320, find R. 12PR is equal to 1320. 12PR is equal to 1320, I can write as 132 into 10. So 12 into 11 into 10, that is 12P3. So R is equal to 3. If n plus 1 P5 into n P5 is equal to 3 is to 2, find n. See, n plus 1 P5 can be written as n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. By n P5 can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. This and this get cancelled. Left is n plus 1 by n minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Cross multiplication, 2n plus 2 is equal to 3n minus 12, or 3n minus n is equal to 2 plus 12. So 2n is 14, n is 7. If 56 PR plus 6 is to 54, PR plus 3 is equal to 30,800 is to 1. Find R. So this can be done 56 PR plus 6 by 54, PR plus 3 is equal to 30,800 by 1. So we know the formula NPR can be written as factorial n by factorial n minus R. So this can be written as 56 factorial 56 by factorial 56 minus R minus 6 by factorial 54 by factorial 54 minus R minus 3 is equal to 30,800. This can be written as factorial 56 by factorial 50 minus R into, this comes up, it will become factorial 51 minus R by factorial 54. 56 factorial can be written as 56 into 55 into factorial 54 into 51 minus R into 50 minus R, I can write factorial 50 minus R by factorial 50 minus R into factorial 54. 50 minus R, 50 minus R cancel. So what is left is 51 minus R is equal to 30,800 by 56 into 55. If you cancel it, it will become 100 by 10, that is 10. So minus R is 10 minus 51, minus R is minus 41, R is 41. Next is, if NP7 is equal to 42 NP5, find n. NP7 can be written as factorial n by factorial n minus 7 is equal to 42 into factorial n by factorial n minus 5. Factorial n cancel. Cross multiplication, factorial n minus 5 is equal to 42 n minus 7 factorial. N minus 5 factorial can be written as n minus 5 into n minus 6 into factorial n minus 7 is equal to 42 factorial n minus 7. Factorial n minus 7, factorial n minus 7 cancel. This, if you expand it, it will become n square minus 11n plus 30 is equal to 42. 42, if you take inside n square minus 11n minus 12 is equal to 0. So factorize it, 12 ones are 12, n square minus 12n plus n minus 12 is equal to 0. n into n minus 12 plus 1 into n minus 12 is 0. n minus 12 into n plus 1 is 0. n is equal to 12 or n is equal to minus 1. But negative value is not possible. So n is equal to 12. Prove that 25C4 plus sigma R is equal to 0 to 429 minus R C3 is equal to 30C4. So this can be written as 25C4 plus sigma R is equal to 4 to 0. I will write like this, 29 minus R C3. So now 25C4 plus, this is in decreasing order, 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, it should substitute. So 4 if I substitute will become 25C3, then I will substitute 3, 26C3, substitute 2, 27C3, then substitute 1, 28C3, then substitute 0, 29C3. Now we know the formula NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. So 25 C4 plus 25 C3 is 26 C4 plus this is as it is. Then again this to 27 C4 and this is as it is. Then again 28 C4, this is as it is. Then again 29 C4, 29 C3, so this will become 30 C4. Friends, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.